The non-slip loop knot adds life to your fly, whereas the standard clinch knot restricts the fly to move freely in the current. To begin, we make a simple knot, but do not tighten it. Leave it in this loop form. Take the tag end through the eye of the hook. Then, take the tag, thread it through the loop the same way it came out. Now, hold the loop with your thumb and index finger. With your opposite hand, wrap the tag end around the standing portion 3 to 5 times. Take the tag end and thread it through the loop the same way it came out. Lubricate the knot and clinch it down tightly. Clip the tag end off close, and you're ready to fish. This is an incredibly effective knot for streamers and swinging wet flies like soft hackles. Thank you, and please subscribe for more.